Delta Airlines plane crash lands and flips at Toronto Airport. All 80 on board survive, 18 injured. A Delta Airlines aircraft crash-landed at Toronto Pearson International Airport on February 17, 2025, flipping upside down upon impact. Remarkably, all 80 individuals on board survived, though 18 sustained injuries. The flight, operated by Endeavour Air as Delta Connection Flight 4819, departed from Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport. The aircraft involved was a Bombardier CRJ900LR, tail number N932XJ. At the time of the incident, the airport experienced blowing snow and winds of 51 km/h, gusting up to 64 km/h, with temperatures around 8.6 degrees. The Transportation Safety Board of Canada, with assistance from the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board, has initiated an investigation into the crash.